Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The code of gaming house Vulcan, Kamirai, that is next level. And here we will see two dragon. Between that, a king is Vulcan now. This is also not just about the game. This is about how problems are going to be solved as play to earn. This is next level, where you will not a player. You will be community member, and you are the exit liquidity. And yes, here, this is about the Japanese temple that show something relative. And here, this is also how revealing massive. And yes, rain is also falling the armor. The pre-show about Kamirai token is here, Kamirai, where you can see the total token supply on BNB network. And time started, you can also check out countdown is also here. Warm welcome to the era of Kamirai. That is celestial plane of Japanese methodology. And BNB chain, because there is also secure. Warm welcome to the Kamirai Federation. This is crypto game, this is console grade war of your soul. You can easily check here pre-sale, batch 2, in which you want to see it is live. And recently one Kamirai token is initial prices. This is the number of token have been sold. And this is the number that has left and this is the target. You can easily use BNB asset for that. You need to connect your wallet what you have installed already here. And then you will also put the number of BNB here. And after that, you will also get 1 BNB is equal to this number of token. In this way, you can also join the next option about the order report that has fully done with decentralized cryptocurrency on BNB chain. Yes, here is token allocation in just team and pre-sale, 99.87% in the pre-sale. This is two-engine one-based evolved fast AA8 action RPG fused with sovereign liquidity on DEX. And there is also divine cheat, that is 1% tax. And here we don't just play you on you or you will go on it, even you will conquer. A ninja vanishing in the smoke, that is also anti-wall. Here is Kamirai. Kamirai, that is also the token allocation. You are going to know about the win that is very ancient, but it's more valuable. Because we know wizards are out, the community is in, and gate to the pre-sale are open, they won't stay that way. And the Oni look is also here. You can even check out this stand for the honor of innovation, art of creation, and freedom in finance. That will also give you honorable lies again. And this is in mind, mean team behind this project with a lot of experience, where you can meet with them if you have question, they will give you response. This is now your part, how you are going to be in this ecosystem, where phase 1 conclude, massive, community, there is inception, white paper, website, and other social media will be built and there will be listing in second phase. 2026 very soon their press releases you can even explore, join the pre-sale if you have any crew frequently asked question. You can read about that. If you want to know about the audit that has done the decentralized report is also here about this project Kamirai with the BNB chain contract as total token supply. And yes, here is complete audit report that you can even check out, even you are also going to get spot on the KG track in, and this is the email spot you. So be ready to join whole member who are watching this video. You can easily come to the pre-sale album. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you next video, but before that, you can follow and explore their official Twitter and Telegram Mint social media link where you will be updated related to the core of gaming that have spoken. So let's get Explore it. I will provide link in my video description. I'll catch you next video. Till then, take care and enjoy your new epic journey.